Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input attributes, and right now we'll be discussing about another use case of the other way to use placeholder attributes in HTML input elements. So I'm going to show you this quickly again. Let's get back to our document. As you can see in our previous tutorial, we use this placeholder and pattern title attribute, but don't forget we stop at the pattern and placeholder, but we didn't use the title attribute. So I'm going to use it again with it now, so you can be able to understand what's going on exactly. So let's say from here right now we use only this. As you can see, if you are following me along, you can just check our previous tutorial so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, exactly what you're having right here, copy it and let it be like this also inside your title right here, so that whenever you can just say write it in this way. Just say you can just tell the user that write it in this is what we want, this way is required. This way required. When we save our document, let's see what will happen. Let's reload our document. Let's say now when we are trying to write it like 080, you understand? Let's say we do it like this, we do it like this, we do it like this. You understand? When we press enter, you will see please match the requested format, this way required. As you can see, so the person who is going to put it 082 33. Let's say for instance the person mistakenly had it like this, 082 minus something minus something, you understand, something, and the person thought it will work. It will never work. When the person press OK, this pop-up will show up. So when you use this thing now, this title, the title will now help us here. That's why we are now using placeholder, pattern and title attribute together. We are now using 3 attributes at once. So this placeholder also is already helping us if the person ignore it. Let's say the person is supposed to add it like the 082 something like now. Let's say the person put something like this and it press enter, it will go right. But if the person mistakenly do like maybe he say he has song it, or you want to do like maybe you want to add the plus 234, understand, you want to send it, it will never go, and this one will help the person. So all this pattern attribute is having a security. So definitely this placeholder and the placeholder and the title attribute is going to help the two attributes going to help the user to know the specific things we want. So definitely before the person writes something, the placeholder is working with in that manner, and after the person have already insert something, the title attribute is going to help. So as you can see, this one is helping us now that this is the way we want it. So when we write way to, let's say we now mistakenly write it in another way, understand, we press enter. When we press the enter, this title attribute will now help us again. As you can see, 082, as you can see. So this is the way we want it. Now the person will now delete it again, now rewrite it exactly the way we have it inside our placeholder. That's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks.